Here's a surprising fact. France produces over 1,600 varieties of cheese. That's right, 1,600. This astounding diversity is a testament to the country's rich tradition of cheesemaking, a craft that has been honed to perfection over centuries. French cheeses are globally celebrated for their distinctive flavors, exceptional quality, and intriguing variety. Each cheese tells a unique story of its origin, reflecting the terroir and the craftsmanship of its makers. Now let's delve deeper into the journey of some of these remarkable cheeses from the farm to your table. When we think of French cheese, names like Brie, Camembert, and Roquefort might spring to mind. First up, we have the Brie, a soft cow's milk cheese known for its creamy texture and mild flavor. It's like a gentle whisper of the French countryside in every bite. Then we have the Camembert, a close cousin to Brie, but with a character all its own. It boasts a creamy interior encased in a white, bloomy rind that's just as delicious. Now, for those who enjoy a robust flavor, meet Roquefort. This blue cheese is aged in the caves of Roquefort-sur-Soulzon, giving it a strong and tangy flavor that's quite unforgettable. Moving on, we have Comté, a firm cow's milk cheese with a nutty and slightly sweet taste. It's aged for varying lengths of time, each month adding more depth to its flavor. Then there's Gruyère. The French version is especially notable for its distinctive flavor and is a staple in French cuisine. Next up is Saint-Nectaire, a semi-soft cow's milk cheese with a mild fruity flavor. Its washed rind adds a layer of complexity to this delightful cheese. And let's not forget Emmental with its characteristic holes and a mild nutty taste. Lastly, we have the goat cheeses. France produces a variety of these, each with different textures and flavors. From the creamy crottin de Chavignol to the pyramid-shaped Valençay, these cheeses are a testament to the versatility of French cheesemaking. Each of these cheeses has a unique story to tell, a story that begins in a farm and ends on a plate. The journey of French cheese is a testament to the country's culinary heritage and the art of cheesemaking. This voyage begins with the collection of milk, often derived from cows, sheep, or goats grazing on the rich and diverse pastures of the French countryside. This milk is then carefully transformed into curds through the process of coagulation, a delicate balance of heat, bacteria, and time. Once the curds are formed, they are pressed into molds, giving each cheese its distinctive shape. The cheese then embarks on a journey of maturation, aging in carefully controlled conditions to develop its unique flavor and texture. This can take anywhere from a few weeks to several years. Many of these cheeses have been granted Appellation d'Origine Contrôlée or Protected Designation of Origin status. These labels safeguard their authenticity, recognizing the unique characteristics tied to their specific regions of production. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of French cheese, remember the journey it has made to reach your table. French cheese offers a symphony of tastes, textures, and aromas. We've journeyed through the lush pastures of Brie, the creamy heart of Camembert, the tangy caverns of Roquefort, and the nutty nuances of Comté, among others. Each cheese, a testament to the artistry and heritage of French cheesemaking, from the softest chèvre to the firmest Emmental. The question isn't whether to partake in this culinary adventure, but where to begin. With so many varieties to choose from, which French cheese would you like to try next?